Hello and welcome back to Memory at Lightning Speed, the Permanent Memory Sphere and Power Recall. Memory Course 4, Episode 10, 37.E. Part 2. Further memory sessions. I mentioned that there was a specific reason. Well, on this course, we are going to learn that specific reason. And the first thing I want to do is review and make sure that we have the body list committed to memory. So as you are watching this, I'd like you to copy my hand movements, and I want you to repeat out loud what I'm saying, and as well as you learn the body list. And I want you to do the same hand movements as I'm doing, as I'm mentioning it. So I want you to do the same movements and speak out loud. As you're watching this. Make sure that you have the flow of these pegs. Okay, repeat what you see and hear. Say, number 1, toes, and point to your toes. Number 2, number 1, toes. Number 2, knees, knock your knees. Number 2, knees. Number 3, muscle, massage your thigh muscles. Number 3, muscles. Number 4, rear, rub your rear. Number 4, rear, say it out loud. Number 5, lower back, pinch your lower back. Number 5, lower back. Number 6, shoulders, touch your shoulders. Number 6, shoulders. Number 7, collar. Cut your collar with your hands. Number 7, collar. Number 8, face. Put your hands on top of your face. Number 8, face, out loud. Number 9 is the top of your head. Point with your fingers and tap it. Number 9, point. Number 10 is the ceiling. Point straight out and circle it with your fingers and say, number 10, ceiling. Say it out loud. Let's do it one more time. Number 1, toes. Number 2, knees. Number 3, muscles. Number 4, rear. Say it out loud. Number 5, lower back. Number 6, shoulders. Number 7, collar. Number 8, face. Out loud. Number 9, point. Number 10, ceiling. Say it out loud. Remain focused. There's still one more time. Speak out loud. Number 1, toes. Number 2, knees. Number 3, muscle. Number 4, rear. Number 5, lower back. Number 6, shoulders. Number 7, collar. Number 8, face. Number 9, point. Number 10, ceiling. Excellent. And I want you to switch off the screen and review and practice and make sure that you have committed to memory these 10 pegs and their names. Say them out loud. That is so important that you speak these pegs out loud and do the hand movements. Use the body language. So switch off the screen and review and practice your body list. Do that now. Okay, now, there's a specific reason why we have 10 pegs on our body list and call them by those names. We are going to establish right now what we call them, the phonetic alphabet. You see, there are only 10 basic phonetic consonant sounds in the English language, And that's very important because when you have these 10 phonetic sounds committed to memory, we are going to establish a number for each of these phonetic sounds. What we're going to do in just a minute. Drills. Once you have this down and you pace with me, now we can go to the next session. Now that we have assigned the phonetic sound to the numbers, what good does it do us? Well, the further memory session is going to focus on numbers. You see the number 1 through 9 and 0 have a phonetic sound attached to them. Well, phonetic sounds don't do us much good, but pictures, well, picture words do. Let me tell you what we're gonna do. We're going to take the numbers 1 through 100 and using new phonetic alphabet, coming up with picture words that represent these numbers. You'll have at your mental fingertips a picture word for the numbers 1 through 100. Play with the major system and refining your key memory images, accelerating your speed and making sure that in the memorization of it, you use the memory principles and techniques and all your cortical skills consisting of cortex. These include logic, rhythm, line, color, lists, daydreams, numbers, imagination, speech, and awareness. These major system becomes as natural as your name, address, and phone number. For advanced applications of the system, wait for the memory course 5. The rest of the memory course 4, further memory, uses the major system to help you leap from 100 to 10,000 Lokis, L, O, C, I, and also to give you the ultimate permanent memory sphere. Thank you.